technically you could wire up whatever you need to wire up, which is those two connectors. Just butt them together. You don't even have to.
Yeah.
Just wire it. Just start it up just to see how it sounds.
Yeah. Hey Eric, you think if I put it into here, that'll work?
Yes.
Okay.
Just peel the wire back and just fucking make, as long as it makes contact.
Okay.
You're just gonna start it. You're not gonna fucking.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? You want another beer? Anybody want another beer?
I'm okay for now.
What the hell?
Well, I need to focus.
Pussies.
No drinking on the job.
Dude, this shit reminds me of Quagmire.
Giggity, 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 giggity.
Oh look. Power. Ignition. Sick.
So that's working?
Yeah.
Alright, do your thing.
To the next item. No.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
I hope that's not the fuel pump.
Check the wiring.
Process of elimination?
Yeah. Switch on the ignition key. Does the power green? So we're gonna see if the power green does the power green light eliminate? Question. Yes, go to the next item. No, check the wiring is getting battery voltage when the ignition is switched on.
I think it is. So let's try it. Okay, ready?
The injectors are good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Something don't sound right, dude. That fuel pump don't sound right. Sounds like a fucking old ass fucking pump going.
As you guys saw in the last clip, I couldn't get the car to start. So this is basically the next day, and I was able to figure out what happened to the car and what was going on. And I'm gonna start with a few things just in case some of you have or may go through this. I'm gonna show you guys what it took for me to figure it out, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now. So basically, this is the sheet of paper that I was talking about that they provide, and the problem I was having was step number 4, which is crank the engine for approximately 2 seconds. Does the sync yellow light flash? Inside the cabin I have where exactly I put the module that indicates the ignition, power, and sinkage for my coil packs, and is down here somewhere. So this thing is what I'm talking about. Up there, that is the one that is going to tell me whether everything's going well or going bad. Basically, I'll show you guys when I start it up what I mean and how it's supposed to look. But basically the sync light was not blinking, so something was telling me that something was going wrong. So then I had to check over my stuff, check the wiring again. So 2 things had occurred throughout this problem. This blue and yellow and black wire, I did not splice it together in the right direction. At first I had spliced it into the connector section from the distributor, but it clearly is not supposed to be there. It's actually supposed to be spliced through the ECU side. So I fixed that. It's all good now. Makes sense because it still needs signal knowing from the ECU, which makes sense now because it wouldn't make sense to wire it up from this if it's no longer being used from the distributor. So now that that's fixed, so I'm gonna skip into showing you guys and letting you guys hear my exhaust. And yeah, I'm gonna connect the battery and get this started. This is how the coil pack retrofit should look when you start it up. Gotta let it warm up. Burning a lot of fuel. Yeah. And then go ahead. And there it is, man. The car sounds great. I love how it sounds. I just can't wait to get it on the dyno and see how much it's gonna make and everything, and hopefully take it to the track. Oh, I got another thing going too. Today I just went to go pick up a roll bar for the Civic, so can't wait to make a video on that and release what color I want to do for it. So that's gonna be cool content. I think that does everything for this project for now. There's small little details that I need to accomplish in order to get it on the dyno and stuff and make that scheduled, but so far it's going pretty well. The car starts, it can stay on by itself. I'm glad with that, and I just gotta get my injectors installed and hopefully check other things off my list that are small details that it needs to get done just for safety precautions. So because I don't want to ruin a day at the dyno session, you know. You can't ruin that because that's money out the pocket. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video introducing this car. I got more things planned for this car, so yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned and see what else I got next, or my other car, my Legacy, just subscribe, like the videos, and I'll be here making some fun content. So thank you guys again, and see you guys later.